Hello students. So here, our new portion starts with the chapter 13, that's division. Now first of all, what is division? Okay, the question is, what is division? Now division means making equal shares. Making equal shares. Sorry. So if a thing is equally divided, okay, if you divide something equally, it means you have divided that. For example, 12 chocolates are there, and you have to divide in between 4 children. So here 12 chocolates are to be divided in between 4 children. How you will do that? You have to divide. So here, if you are well versed with the table of 4, 4 threes are 12. Okay. So here 4 is to be divided 3 times. Sorry, 12 is to be divided by 4, and the answer you get is 3. When you divide 12 by 4, the answer is 3. See here. How many children are there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the easier way I'm telling you. I'm explaining you. 12 chocolates. 3 each child will get. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12. Okay? So when you divide 12 among 4 children, when you divide 12 chocolates among 4 children, 3 chocolates each will get. How? The answer is in front of you. This was an example. Now next, suppose there are 10 pens, and you have to distribute it among 5 children. How you will do that? 10 pens are there, 5 children are there. Again, divide it. Okay, so here 5 2s are 10. Divide 10 minus 10, 0. 5 2s are 10. Each child will get 2 pens. Okay, so the answer is 2. In this way you have divided equally. So we will start with the sums here. Page number 87, your maths workbook. So here assignment is some pictures you can see on that page, boys and girls. Count to see how many children are there. There are 4 children. 3 girls are there and 1 boy is there. So they have to be shared equally. Guavas are there, some guavas are there that you have to distribute among these children. How you will do that? So the number of guavas are 8. Okay, and children are Suma, Raja, Meena and Anju. Suma, Raja, Meena, Anju. And total number of guavas are 8. Children are 4. So again divide it. 4 2s are 8. We get the answer. So here 2, 2, 2, 2. 2 guavas will be given to each of them. And in this way you divide 8 guavas among these children equally. So here we get the answer. Next assignment. There are there are 12 biscuits. Okay, and number of children are 3. 2 boys, 1 girl. Raju, Sanju and Anita. Now divide these biscuits among these 3. So again divide it. 3 4s are 12. Okay. Here you got the answer 4. So each one will get 4 biscuits. And in this way equal division has been done. Okay. So here page number 87 we have completed. Now move on to page number 88 sorry. Here total number of mangoes are 8. Mangoes in one lot. Okay, total number of lots. Here they have given oral assignment. So here you will see, you can see the picture, page number 88. In first picture, here you will see the picture of some mangoes are there. So mangoes in one lot. First what they have done, see here. In first picture, there are 2 mangoes in each lot. Okay, just suppose these are the mangoes. My drawing is not that good. Okay, just imagine these are mangoes. So they have drawn the circle around these 2 mangoes. So in each lot there are 2 mangoes. Okay, and number of lots are 1, 2, 3, 4 lots and mangoes. Okay, 2 in each and 4 lots. Second one, here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here they have done that 2 lots they have made, and mangoes are 4 in each. Okay, so here total number of mangoes can be divided in this manner. Okay, so here we have done this oral work. Assignment same way we have to do. Total number of cucumbers are 10. Number of cucumbers in one lot, they have given us the hint. So draw the circle around each cucumber. Okay, 10 are there. Yeah, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to draw the circle around each cucumber. And total number of lots, that will be 10. Second, number of cucumbers in one lot, 2. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here put a circle around 2 cucumbers. So how many lots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Simple. Last figure, 1 lot, and all the 10 cucumbers are included in it. Put a big circle around all the 10 cucumbers. So the answer is number of lot is 1. So here we have completed this page number 88. Next page we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.